Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as you can see on the screen, that CPI is coming up. Yes, next week is all about CPI. You can go to the economic calendar and see that on Monday, Tuesday, we don't have any major events. So you can expect that on Monday and Tuesday, mostly the technicals will dominate the market. But on Wednesday, 13 September, CPI is coming up. And before a big event like CPI, NFP market prefers to stay silent. So there's a high chance that on Monday, Tuesday, market may remain sideways, market may remain choppy because market will be waiting for a big action on Wednesday. Dollar recovers early losses as bond yields rise. You can see here this is the chart of DXY. As we have been discussing for the last couple of days and weeks that DXY is bullish, there is no doubt. Both fundamentals and technicals are pushing DXY towards the upside. Yesterday also, when we spotted a rising wedge pattern on the chart of DXY, I clearly told you guys that do not hope for a complete trend reversal. There may be a pattern on the chart, but technicals fail when fundamentals dominate the market. So after a few red candles, we saw immediate recovery on the chart of DXY, and ultimately DXY closed at 105.05. Dollar is the most traded currency and popular currency in the world. So as a forex trader, it is very important for you to know the important levels, to know the movements of DXY. So DXY closed at 105.05, and if we go to the weekly chart of DXY, you can see that DXY was struggling around a weekly pivot of 104.5060, and finally this week DXY broke it, and right now heading towards the next resistance of 105.85. So you can see that in this market, okay, DXY's next resistance is around 105.85, and if the up move continues, then obviously fundamentals will win and it will break the next resistance of 105.85 as well. So my dear friends, plan your trades accordingly. So in this type of market, whenever DXY will be coming down, you can expect that market will take support and bounce. On Monday, if you see DXY forming few red candles, then you can expect that 104.40, 104.30 will be acting as the new support, because you can see the previous high will be acting as the new support. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average around this area. So we have buyers around this area. On Monday, if DXY comes down also, you can expect a bounce from here. Along with that, we also have next immediate support around 104. So DXY has, as the market is an uptrend and bullish, so we have multiple layers of support right now. So plan your trades accordingly. And here is the chart of gold. Yesterday, when market was going up, when gold formed this big green candle, to be honest, I was not expecting that our sell zone would work. And when I saw that gold is immediately going down from our sell zone, I was shocked, I was surprised. Anyways, ultimately gold closed at 1919 level. This is the last traded price of gold. So if you look at the daily chart of gold here, then you can see on the daily chart, gold is standing at the 200 moving average right now, and it is trying its best. Okay, it's trying its best to survive here, to go up from this particular portion of the market here, because 200 moving average means market has some dynamic support around this area. But the market sentiment is not in much favor, as a result of which gold is struggling. In fact, in a previous video, we discussed about the change in the market structure also, because market was an uptrend here, there is no doubt, but here in this particular portion, we could see that the market structure changed, and after that the trend of the market reversed. Again, we can see the market structure is changing slowly here. You can see gold is no longer forming lower lows. You can see gold is forming higher highs here. So this change in the market structure signifies that there is an indication, there is a possibility of a trend reversal in the coming days. So right now 1915 to 1916 is the support for gold right now. Usually in downturn market, supports like this do not work. But here, as gold is no longer forming lower lows, we can expect that buyers around 1915, 1916 will definitely be active, and they will not allow the market to go down that easily. And usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. So right after the market opening, if you see gold going down, volatility is very less. Market is going down with small candles. You can expect that buyers around 1915, 16 will be present. If you see market taking support, market showing price rejection from below, will give you the confidence and you can go for a buy position. But on the other hand, during due to some news during the weekend, if you see that dollar index is bullish again, going up, okay, in that case obviously there will be pressure on the chart of gold. In that case, okay, you can look for buy around the next support around 1910 level. 1910 is the next support on the chart of gold. If this fails, why 1910? Let me show you. See, we have drawn Fibonacci here, and 1910 is the Fibo 61.8% retracement level. Overall, the Fibo has been doing a fine job, so definitely we can expect that Fibo 61.8% will also be doing its job. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 50 to 60 pips if market hits 1910, 1910.5 level and bounces. And after that, the third support is around 1904 to 1905 because of this strong price rejection from below. So 1915, 1916 is there in the market, but if market shows heavy volatility, high selling pressure, then we need to look for support around 1910 and 190405 only. One thing I would like to add here is that if market breaks 1910 level with high selling pressure, if you're a daredevil kind of a trader, if you're a risk taker, you can also go for a quick sell position below 1910 for 40 pips, because I'm a 40 pips trader. And if you look at the contracts data here, you can see we have strongest support at 1900 as per the contracts data. So I don't think so market will be going below 1900 as of now. Market will try to protect the level of 1900 level here. 1900 is really looks really strong, and most importantly, we can see positive change in open interest here. So yes, market will try to protect 1900 level in case market starts falling also. And if you look at the resistance here as per the contracts data, you can see if market goes up, then we have 1935 and 1940, because we can see positive change in open interest at 1935 and 40. So if gold goes for recovery also, there will be resistance at 1935 and 1940 level. But right now, where is the market? At 1919. So let's discuss. Thank you so much for such an overwhelming response, my dear friends. The Hindi workshop has ended, and the 3 days English workshop is about to start from day after tomorrow, which is Monday, 11th of September. My dear friends, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. If you really like my work, if you are serious about your trading, you can definitely join the workshop. The link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. You can see here, these are the benefits that you will be getting after the workshop, because after the 3 days workshop, you will also be receiving 1 month support, so that you can understand that in which direction you should be proceeding, in which direction you should be looking at the market. So these are the benefits you'll be receiving after the workshop. And my dear friends, this is my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. But as I have already told you guys earlier, that this workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed a workshop only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years. So there is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And here you can see the topics are also mentioned here: day 1, day 2 and day 3. And after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly sessions, 4 weekly sessions, and these are the topics that we will be discussing. I have carefully chosen the topics so that you can start trading on your own right after the workshop. And these are the dates: 11, 12 and 13th of September. The timing is mentioned here. The classes are conducted on Google Meet. You can share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number. You will be added to the group immediately. You can also email here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the WhatsApp group. And the best part is the fees. You can see here for 3 days workshop with 1 month support, all the classes, all the analysis, trade setups, it will only cost you $15, rupees 1000 for Indians. You can see these are the benefits that you will be getting, receiving in this 1 month. And if you are looking for mentorship guidance, because trading there is no shortcut. Trading is a journey, it takes time, and that's a reality. So if you're looking for some guidance, if you're looking for some personal sessions, you can obviously sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support, which are also very affordable. You can see 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65, and these are the benefits. And you will be getting 2 person sessions with me to clear doubts, to ask questions for learning purpose. And if you like my work, if you trust my work, and if you really want to stay connected with me forever, okay, not forever, okay, for next 30-40 years, then obviously you can sign up for lifetime support, which will only cost you $125, rupees 8000 for Indians. And these are the benefits that you will be getting. And you will also be getting 6 personal sessions with me. So world's most affordable workshop. That's all from my side, my dear friends. The link is in the description. So though gold is slowly forming higher highs here, but you can see the buying power is missing somewhere. Okay, you can see that we do not have a clean trend reversal because the market sentiment is missing here. So on Monday, if gold starts going up, then obviously the previous resistance will be valid, because as I have already told you guys many times, that for a breakout we need volume. In absence of volume, we will always get a false breakout or breakdown. So on Monday, if you see gold going up, okay, the previous resistance of 1929 to 1932 that I told you guys will be valid. If gold reverses, if you see gold struggling around this area, you'll get the confirmation that sellers are still present, and you can go for a sell position. Okay. On the other hand, the next resistance will be around 1930, 32.50 to 1934. 1932.50 to 1934. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold, and I think the 1932.50 1934 is the best position to take a sell right now. Okay, if not 1934, it can be 1935 as well, because from the contract data we can see that 1935 is posing as the next resistance. Why 1930 to 1935? Let me show you. Here we are using Fibonacci here, and yesterday we saw that our Fibo 38.2 did a fine job, perfect job. So definitely we can expect that our next Fibo level of Fibo 50% will also be doing a good job. After all, Fibo 50 is a better level, stronger level than Fibo 38.2. And along with Fibonacci 50% retracement level, we also have the 200 moving average around the same area. So if gold starts going up, if you want to take a buy position here, that's your personal choice. But personally, I prefer to trade from level to level only. Try to avoid trading in the middle of the chart, because your risk to reward ratio will not match. And as I always say, my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. So my dear friends, try to trade on levels only. If not my levels, try to trade on your own levels. If market goes up on Monday, my dear friends, if market goes up on Monday, we do have some minor resistance around 1922-23 level, because previous support will be working as resistance here. Then we can also see 100 moving average coming down. So around 1922, 1924, we have some minor resistance, but the volatility of the market will decide. We cannot tell right now. So try to stick to the major levels, mark the major levels of the market only, because these levels on the market may vary. Let's wait and watch. Anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Risk management is above all. Nobody's 100% accurate, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday.